Okay, I will only ask. In domestic circuits, home, school, college, everywhere, which type of connection is done? Series or parallel, and why?
Parallel.
Parallel. Why? What is the advantages of parallel connection?
Because one appliance stop working, other work
Hmm.
normal. Other work normal.
Total resistance in parallel is decreases. Even if one component fails, others will work.
They get same voltage.
Same voltage, different voltage, but same current. In parallel, they will get different current for different voltage. Different appliances will get different current. Oh. Yeah, that is so. That's why we use parallel connection. So why series are not used? Disadvantage of series ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? Resistance increases. ಮತ್ತೆ if one component fails, others will not work. ಮತ್ತೆ
Same voltage.
current will be same for all the appliances. So why damage to ozone is concerned? So ನಮಗೆ ಓಜೋನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ನಾವು ಯಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Because ozone is a protective shield towards the earth, covers the earth. It protects the earth from action of UV rays. So UV radiations, if they come directly on the earth, it may cause skin cancer and damage to environment, ecosystem, everything. So what is the role of biodegradable microorganisms? Decomposers. Role of decomposers.
They are natural.
Decomposers are the microorganisms or bacteria which converts complex organic substance into simple inorganic substance. So they helps in the decomposition and management of waste substance, biodegradable substance. Balance the ecology and ecosystem. So difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable. What are biodegradable?
That naturally occurs in that naturally decomposes in environment and they are safe in environment. Non-biodegradable which are not natural decomposers and they are cause air pollution and
Soil pollution.
and harmful for environment.
So example for biodegradable is
Kitchen waste
manure. So example for non-biodegradable plastics, glass, etc. So what is double circulation?
The blood goes through the heart twice in 1 second.
Is known as double circulation. Why the separation of oxygen and deoxygen blood is necessary in human beings or mammals?
To reach high energy needs to maintain constant body temperature, to efficient supply of oxygen and
Okay, 3 points are enough. So why separation of oxygen and deoxygen blood is necessary? Helri Nansala? Constant body temperature, to maintain the constant body temperature and high efficiency, high energy needs. To meet the high energy needs. So why ventricles have thick walls in heart?
Because the pump
Ventricles pump the blood. Ventricles pump the blood. That's why they are thick and muscular. Auricles receive the blood. That's why they are thin. What about arteries? Difference between arteries and veins.
carries away from the blood, carries away from the heart, veins blood towards the heart. Arteries carry oxygenated blood.
Veins carry deoxygenated blood.
Valves are present, valves are absent.
In arteries, valves are absent. In veins, valves are present. And arteries are thick and elastic. Veins are
Thin and
less elastic. And blood pressure in arteries is high. Veins is low. Metal that displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. I am giving you options. Metal which displaces copper from copper sulfate. Mercury, gold, iron, silver. Iron. Why iron? Why not silver and?
it is high reactive from the
So for displacement reaction, it should be more reactive metals displaces less reactive metal. Name the law of Mendeleev periodic law. Properties of elements are the.
using the increasing order of their atomic masses.
So Mendeleev arranged the elements in increasing order of the atomic mass. Statement ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ law Mendeleev ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? The properties of elements are the periodic function of the atomic mass. ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ periodic ಹನ್ರಿ ಮುಸ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ periodic function of the atomic number. So difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. What are saturated hydrocarbons?
Single bond, they are more than double bond.
Double or triple bond?
They burn with clean, they burn with yellow sooty clay. They give less, more residue. They give less residue.
So
present here alkenes and
alkynes are present. So more reactive, less reactive. So once again, saturated means they have single bond. Unsaturated double or triple bond. Saturated burns with clean flame. Unsaturated burns with yellow sooty flame. Then they are less reactive.
More reactive.
they are more reactive.
Saturated are more reactive, unsaturated are less reactive. So example if ಬಂದ್ರೆ alkane, cycloalkane. For saturated no alkane ಮತ್ತೆ cycloalkane. Unsaturated ಬಂದ್ರೆ alkene, alkyne. So what is ionic bond? What is ionic bond?
Sharing
Bond formed by
Sharing of electrons.
sharing of electrons. Ionic bond. Transfer of electrons from metal to non-metal. Covalent bond is formed by sharing of electrons. Okay. Properties of ionic compounds. Properties of ionic bond.
they are high
Generally hard and bitter.
Anyone?
they are high melt. They are high melting and melting point. They are hard and bitter. They are soluble in water in molten state. They are good conductor of electricity. In molten state.
Molten state. So why ionic compounds do not conduct electricity in solid state? Anyone?
Exchange of ions is not. There is no movement.
No movement of ion in solid state. So why ionic compound have high melting and high boiling point?
Because they have strong intermolecular,
Intermolecular, interionic force of attraction. That's why it requires
more energy
to break the bond. So that's why
It has a
high melting and high boiling point. So common name of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris chemical name. CSO4 half H2O. Plaster of Paris. Name, chemical name.
Calcium hydroxide hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate.
Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. What are the uses of plaster of Paris?
To join fractured bones to make smooth surfaces and toys.
Decoration, toys, smooth surfaces. We use plaster of Paris to make toys and all. So, what are plant hormones? Anyone? Mustafa.
They are chemical messenger to the growth of plants. Oxygen, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid are plant hormones. Oxygen to develop the plant and growth of the plant.
Elongation of the cell.
Gibberellin is to promote the cell division. Cytokinin is to promote the cell division. Gibberellin is promote the
Stem.
And abscisic acid to inhibit growth of.
Immediate growth and falling of leaves. So once again, plant hormones are the chemical messengers, helps in control and coordination in plants. So there are 4 types. What are those? Oxygen, gibberellin, cytokinin and abscisic acid. What are the function of oxygen? Helps in cell elongation. Gibberellin, widening of stem. Elongation, cell division in the stem. Cytokinin, rapid cell division, fruits, flowers, seeds, dormancy of seeds. Then if we come for abscisic acid is growth inhibiting hormone. It inhibits the growth or stops the growth, wilting of leaves, illandre falling of leaves. Then ethylene will come, another artificial hormone that is used for ripening of fruits. Artificial ripening of fruits, ethylene. So what is fuse? Susan.
Safety device used to protect the appliances
From overloading and
from overloading and
short circuit. So what is causes for overloading?
When live wire and neutral wire comes in direct contact by using of faulty appliance is
And damaged
damaged appliance.
So these are the conditions for overloading. Another one is important is there.
Too many appliances are connected in one single socket.
If you connect too many appliances in single socket, that also overloading will occur. Then what is the function of earth wire? Which color earth wire is in which color?
Green color.
Green color. So what is the function? Anyone perfectly?
When metallic body gets excessive current,
Overall current decreases, the metallic body
So earthing is done for safety measure. Earthing is done for a safety measure for the appliances with metallic body. Appliances with metallic body. So whenever there is a leakage of current leakage adre, the potential goes to the earth and the user will not get severe shock. User is severe shock sigalla. That's why earthing is necessary and important. So ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಗೆ, ಐರನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಗೆಲ್ಲ 3 ಪಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಿನ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ದಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಅರ್ತ್ ವೈರಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವೈ ಅಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್? ವೈ ಅಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್?
high resistance.
high melting point, high resistance, do not oxidize easily. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಂದರೆ ಟಂಗ್ಸ್ಟನ್. ವೈ ಟಂಗ್ಸ್ಟನ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್? ಎನಿವನ್?
Because it have a high melting point of 380
degree Celsius and high resistance. So working ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ the large amount of electric energy is converted into heat. Some part is radiated as light. So double circulation 2 stages ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು systematic circulation, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು pulmonary circulation. Systematic means blood from all parts of the body to heart and heart to all parts of the body. That is systematic. Pulmonary means heart to lungs, lungs to heart. So events occur in photosynthesis. What are the events that occurs in photosynthesis?
Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, conversion of light energy into chemical energy, breakdown of water into hydrogen plus oxygen, reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates.
These are the events of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is exothermic or endothermic process? Endothermic, because absorption of light energy is absorbed. So respiration is exothermic process. So what is decomposition reaction?
The reaction in which one compound splits into
Two compounds is known as decomposition. What are the types of decomposition reaction?
thermal decomposition reaction, photolytic decomposition reaction,
Electrolytic decomposition reaction. You should give examples also for these and reactions. So sex of the newborn baby is determined by father or mother? Father. So father chromosomes, tell me which are those? X and Y. Mother's X and X. So in humans how many chromosomes are present? 23 pairs or 46 chromosomes. So name the movements in plants due to growth. Trophic movements. Movement related to growth are trophic movements. Name the different. Each one.
phototropism.
Definition.
Phototropism, the growth of plants towards the sunlight.
Next.
Hydrotropism, the growth of plant towards water. Chemotrophism, the movements of plant toward the chemical.
Geotropism, the growth of tree towards the light or gravity.
Towards the earth or gravity. Okay students, bye. We will continue in next class. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel.